Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your torque. In the very front, you're going to have your two 30-pound LP tanks, regulator on the top here. Point to this way to use this tank, point it to that way to use that tank. 12-volt battery. On the passenger side, you're going to have a pass-through. This pass-through is going to contain battery disconnect, override bars, 30 to 50 amp adapter, 30 to 15 amp adapter, sewer hose. Now on the passenger side, on the front and rear, you're going to have these little switches. These are going to be for your stabilizers. This switch is going to control both front stabilizers, as well as the rear is going to control both rears. You have your main door, furnace exhaust. You have to fill the tank, your portable water to fill it. Black tank flush, just know you're connected to the ground and valves are open before you hook a water hose up here. If your water is full or your black tank is full and you add more water, you have a huge mess. TV for your outdoor entertainment setup. Coming to the rear, garage door access right at the bottom here. You're going to find your toggle switch. That's going to control both of the stabilizers. Drop down ramp on the rear. Coming up on the driver rear, you're going to have your auxiliary nozzle as well as your inlet for fuel. Auxiliary nozzle water pump or fuel pump there. You're going to have your 50 amp feed here as well as your satellite and inlet cable. Coming up on the slide out here, you're going to have your water heater, your city water connection right below it. That's going to be using the water and water pressure off the water hose only. Outdoor spray nozzle. Coming up on the driver's side here, you're going to have your generator inside this compartment. You're going to have two breakers to make sure those are on. Push and hold prime for 5 seconds. Push and hold start for 5 seconds. Let's go ahead and go inside your unit and take a look around. Going inside your unit. Right when you walk inside your unit, right to the right, you're going to have your control panel. This control panel is going to contain a water pump, your water heater for your gas, your water heater as well as your lights and your levels. This will show you your levels as well. Right below it, you're going to have slide control, Omni control, JBL system up top. This is going to be 3-zone system. The two of them are going to be inside and one's going to be outside, and then you're going to have a subwoofer on this side. The little controller for that is going to be right here. You're going to have an LED switch underneath. You turn the LED lights up above. We're going to start from your master bedroom, work our way back. Master bedroom, right above the master bedroom bed, you're going to be able to start your generator as well as you're going to have individual lights. Again, another LED light switch underneath. Your main light switch when you walk in your bedroom is going to be right to the left. Into the kitchen area. Make sure the couch is up in the upright position during operation of this slide. Your keys are around your sink. Microwave is going to be best indicator if you have shore power. It will be on and working. Right below it, you're going to have your stove top. Just turn the knob over the little flame and use your igniter knob off to the left. On this side of the dining room, you're going to have your setup to hook up a TV as well as you're going to have your thermostat. The left button is going to be a mode button. You need to push it once to acknowledge it. Push it again to turn it on the fan. Push it again to turn it on the AC or heat. And then, of course, the arrows on it is going to be adjusting the temp. Right below on the bench there, you're going to find the breakers and fuses. This bathroom's pretty self-explanatory. You can access this bathroom from the garage or the hallway. You do have a GFI breaker right to the left of the sink. You have a light switch as well as fan controls on the wall. Inside your garage area or bunk room, you're going to have another thermostat as well as your bed lift control and your main light switch. Now on the floor, you're going to have a box full of manuals and your power cord, spray nozzle, as well as your carpet, as well as the table. Now to control this bed system here, the bed lift control, you got to have both couches in the flat position just like this. Now you're going to find 4 pins, one at each corner that look like this. You got to have this couch all the way up as shown here. Pull those 4 pins and then bring it down. That bed will sit on the little peg systems inside the track. Those are adjustable. Just know if you move one, move the rest. During transport, keep the bed all the way up in the air because that bed is not on a chain system, so it'll sit there and bounce depending on the road you go down. So just make sure you make sure that's in the upright position during transport. Hope this video helped. Thanks for choosing Lakeshore. Have a great day.